Every day can be a track day and every commute can be a soul-stirring drive when you're behind the wheel of a 2020 Alfa Romeo 4C Spyder. This pocket rocket convertible provides sharp handling, gut-punch acceleration, and a sassy exhaust note. As a bonus, it looks so striking it turns heads in any color. But, it also requires compromise. The interior is poorly outfitted and cramped, there's almost zero room for cargo, and you can forget about fancy infotainment features and driver assistance tech. The 4C is a focused sports car with the heart of an Italian thoroughbred, no more, no less. The 4C soldiers on with minimal changes for 2020, albeit only as the convertible Spyder model. The 4C Coupe has been discontinued. A new 4C Spyder Italia model is now available and features glossy black trim on the front and rear bumpers, 4C Spyder Italia exterior graphics, Misano blue metallic paint, an aluminum dashboard trim piece with the 4C Spyder Italia logo, and a number plate on the center console denoting its specialness. A limited run of special edition 4C Spyder 33 Stradale models is also available and comes only in Rosso Villa d'Este paint over gray gold painted wheels and a two-tone black and tan interior. The 2020 model year will be the 4C's last, so scoop one up before they're sold out. Alfa Romeo makes buying a 4C pretty easy. It only comes one way and it's the convertible Spyder model. Options are few, but if you're planning to drive the 4C on a regular or daily basis, we'd suggest upgrading to the available Alpine sound system with subwoofer and the protective film to protect the front end from stone chips. Engine, transmission, and performance. Powered by a 237 horsepower turbo 4 and weighing about 2,500 pounds, its zippy power-to-weight ratio matches its zippy steering ratio. Sadly, only a 6-speed automatic is available. The 4C practically anticipates road challenges, and its suspension is perfectly tuned for carving up a twisty back road or attacking apexes on a track. The trade-off for its natural athleticism is a truly punishing ride over all but the smoothest road surfaces. It's quick, too. At our test track, the 4C Spyder sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.